ma'am. Did you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Charmaine Dibuguan, 32 years old, single, living in Cavite City, Isabela, Philippines. I have one brother and I am the eldest child. I took Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Sir, I have work experience here in the Philippines as house helper with 7 members, 1 elderly, 1 adult, 1 couple, and 3 children, ages 8, 6, and 4 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I have also experience in cashiering.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
Sir, I will ensure their safety, and if they sick, I will check their temperature, and if they sick, I will call immediately my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Sir, I am trustworthy, responsible, willing to learn new things and to be corrected.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Sir, I wanted to work abroad to support my family and to secure my financial in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your responsibilities at home?
My brother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
Sir, I will focus on my work and think that I will do this work for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Sir, I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up at 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Sir, I will be calm and patient and talk to them nicely.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And if needed to be extended,
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
no, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you will choose me as your helper. I promise to be a good helper. I will serve you and your family with all my best. Thank you.